You know what? I've been thinking and thinking about my court day yesterday. I got to appeal it, and the courtroom was basically empty. So I want to invite everybody. If they give me another court date, I'm gonna give it to everybody. I want everybody to be there because I still sit here going over and every time I listen to what the judge said, my mouth is still like, what? I am. They never did. They said the judge said, well, if you're attacked by a gang, you might shoot somebody. Yeah, I might shoot somebody if I'm attacked by a gang. It's like that was a reason I was a danger to the public. And here I am, somebody that knows how to make ricin. I know how to make explosives, and they're worried about a gang attacking me in Walmart. And that makes me a danger to the public. So, it's like, I'm still trying. I cannot for the life of me get the logic of what went on in the courtroom. It's like, when I walked out, I was just sitting there just shaking my head like, what just happened? How did that happen? It was like, I mean, and the courtroom was empty. I think they did that on purpose. And I was taking other people's advice to keep your mouth shut about it. No, never again. Never will I keep my mouth shut about a court date. Court is public, and when somebody's being railroaded, I need to invite everybody. So if they allow my appeal, I will be making a video. I will invite everybody to come to my court date because they have to explain why it was the same judge that when I had an attorney, I won, and the state had to send it back, and then the state appealed it. And the same judge says now, because he mentioned my raccoon hat, wear a raccoon hat, and I'm a revolutionary. Yep, revolutionary. I speak revolution. So, and I have military grade weapons. I didn't know I had any military weapons. Will somebody please show me where those military weapons are? I'd like to have some, but apparently the judge thought he saw some somewhere. Yeah, even had the unelected sheriff in the room. So, Wilson County, Tennessee is in desperate need of new leadership come 2014. If anybody in the state of Tennessee has law enforcement experience and, qualifies to run for sheriff, please come to Wilson County. We need somebody that is not from this county to be the sheriff. Yeah, and you need to clean house. Really, we need to clean house. Just like when I'm running for governor, I guarantee you, when I put my hand on that to uphold the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of Tennessee, there are going to be some wholesale firings. Because there are people that have jobs in here in the state of Tennessee that are unconstitutional for them to be in their position. Second off, when I was in court, there was something, when I took the oath, he says, do you, so help you God, do you swear to tell the truth? And I'll tell the truth. And then I said, Your Honor, can I ask you a question? This is quote unquote. Here's what I asked the judge. I said, can I ask you a question, Your Honor? When somebody takes the oath and you say, so help you God, what if they're an atheist? Does that mean anything then? And he said, well, I've never had atheists in my court. The judge said, quote unquote, he's never had an atheist in the courtroom. This must be the brand new judge. He's never been in law school before. I don't understand that. This is why next time we have court, I have to invite everybody. Everybody is invited to my next court date. Matter of fact, as soon as I get one, I'm going to invite the whole crowd. Just come on in. Come on in. Watch me get railroaded. I'm just going to sit up there and ask questions. What are you talking about? I'm sure they'll bring up stuff. Well, you did this when you were younger. You drank. You were arrested for this 20 years ago. Whatever. You gave me a permit. I had a permit for 12 years, and then all of a sudden, now you're saying because I wear a raccoon hat, I speak revolution. I have a "Don't Tread on Me" flag in the background, and I still ain't found the military-grade weapons that's not the new reason that I am a risk of danger to the public. Well, you know what? I have not begun. All they have done is light a fire under my butt. They have lit a fire under my butt, and now I am truly running. Before I thought about if I found somebody that was worthy of being governor, I would step aside. Not anymore. No. I want anybody watching this video in the state of Tennessee to write on their printer, whatever you can afford in printer paper, David Sardi for governor of the state of Tennessee in 2014. Just print it off. That's all it's got to say. And put it up at your Kroger's and your Walmart store, any place that's got a bulletin board. And every time you go there, make sure it's up there. And that's it. I don't want no money. Don't send me no money. Just go out there and say I don't know how many of y'all ready to open up the window and scream, what was that old movie? I'm tired as hell and I'm not going to take it anymore. Come on. Let's bring the Constitution back. Let's let the people take care of themselves. Come on, folks. Don't forget, if y'all sodomites and Democrats that want the government to take care of everything for you, don't vote for me.